There's nothing colder than your shoulder when you're dragging me along like you do, like you do. And then you switch up with no warning, and you kiss me like you want it. How rude, how rude. But I kinda like it anyways. I don't mind if this is gonna take a million days. I know you'll come around to me eventually. If you sit back, relax, enjoy my company, my company. Once you know what my love's gonna feel like, nothing else will feel right. You can feel like moonbeam ice cream, taking off your blue jeans, dancing at the movies, 'cause it feels so mystical, magical, oh baby. 'Cause once you know my love is so mystical, magical, oh baby. 'Cause once you know my little heart to give, baby, I wanna give you the world. Not saying you gotta chase me, but I wouldn't mind it if you give me just a little bit of something we can work it with. But all you do is push me out. But I like it anyways, 'cause I think I'm getting closer to you every day. I know you'll come around to me eventually. Just sit back, relax, enjoy my company. Oh baby, trust me. Once you know what my love's gonna feel like, nothing else will feel right. You can feel like moonbeam ice cream, taking off your blue jeans, dancing at the movies, 'cause it feels so mystical, magical, oh baby. 'Cause once you know my love is so mystical, magical, oh baby. 'Cause once you know
Hey friends, I hope you enjoyed watching that flow session as much as I enjoyed creating it. And I have good news. If you really dug those LED contact poi that I was using in the video, you can actually get a set for yourself at a discount. That is, you can use the promo code DrexFactor with a 0 instead of an O at checkout over at ultrapoi.com to get 10% off your own pair of those Orb Poi Pro LED contact poi. Big thank you to Ultrapoi for sponsoring this video and giving me a reason to go out and flow every month. And speaking of thank yous, I have special thanks owed to the friends of the channel. Big thanks to Dark Monk, Fire Mecca, Flowfests, Flow Toys, Pyroterra Light Toys, and Ultrapoi for helping to make the videos on this channel possible. You can learn more about all these amazing companies and the work they're doing to support flow artists like yourself by checking out the links down in the description of this video. And thanks are also due because this video and all the videos on this channel would not be possible without my amazing supporters on Patreon. And specifically, I want to give a shout out to my Flow patrons who are listed on screen right now. Thank you, you all rock. If you out there watching would like to get your name in the credits or access to a whole host of other awesome rewards, you can do that by heading on over to my Patreon at patreon.com/DrexFactorPoi and signing up. I'll leave a link down in the description as well as up in the cards. Thank you so much for watching, and if you'd like to check out more of my flow sessions, I'll include a link to a playlist of them, both down in the description as well as up here on screen. Take care, get out and flow yourselves today, and I'll see you with a new video real soon. Peace.